Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix your Wix website if it's glitched. So, is your Wix website glitching or not behaving as expected? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video I will walk you through some easy steps to identify and fix glitches on your Wix site. So first, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Go to your browser setting by navigating to three-dotted icon in the top right, navigating to settings, choosing privacy search services, click on clear browsing data, click on choose what to clear and click on clear now. After doing this, you'll have to just refresh the page and check if the glitch is gone or not. Now, sometimes glitch occurs due to issues on Wix end. So you'll have to navigate to Wix status page, open any new tab, type in Wix status page, hit enter. Now you'll have to choose Wix status and see if Wix server is facing any problem. So if Wix is experiencing outages, the issue may resolve itself once their servers are back online. So you'll have to just wait for the servers to get updated and running correctly. Now you also have to ensure that your Wix editor is up to date. So go to your Wix dashboard and check if there's a new update available for your site's editor, because outdated softwares can cause performance issues and glitches. Now, ask your question. Did the glitch appear after adding a few feature or the app? So remove any recently added apps or elements one by one and check your site after each change. Sometimes third-party apps can cause compatibility issues or glitches. Now, broken links or faulty scripts can cause your website to behave unpredictably. So you can use the Wix link checker tool to find and fix any broken links. Check if there's any JavaScript errors by opening the developer tools by pressing F12 on your PC, on your browser, and fix any errors that show up in the console. Now, check if the glitch across different browser and devices. So sometimes a specific browser or device may cause compatibility issues. Test your site on Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and mobile devices to see if the issue persists. And if nothing else works, try reverting your site to an earlier version. So go to the site history section in your Wix dashboard, select a version of your site before the glitch is started and restore it. And by following these steps, you should be able to fix most glitches on your Wix website. If the problem persists, contact Wix support for further help. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.